Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code Destination. So today we are taking the topic HASHMAP and we are continuing our challenge one code one day. So today we will discuss about HASHMAP, how we can use HASHMAP for solving any question, and we will discuss how there are some function which HASHMAP provide in Java and how we can utilize that. Yeah, so for that, today I'm taking the problem number 49 from LeetCode. It is a group anagrams. So we will solve this problem and we will think how HashMap can help to solve this problem efficiently. So we have given the array of strings basically, and we have to group the anagram together. You can return the answer in any order. So basically, this order can be anything, like first we can store either this one or either this one, so that order doesn't matter. So but the anagram should be together. So let me explain what is anagram first. So here you can see I just wrote something for explaining purpose. So first of all, what is anagram? So suppose I took the example, this is string, an example, this is my string, and so first, for checking the anagram, we will count total occurrence of letter. Like in this string, the A is present 3 times, the B is present 2 times, and C is present 2 times. And in all other words, we can see the count is same. Like in this case, it is also A 3 times, B 2 times, but C 3 times. Sorry, C 2 times. So order can be different, but total count of particular letter should be equal in all the words. So in that case, we can say that this two letter is anagram, and this is also anagram. So we can see this two word is anagram of this string, given string. So how we can check anagram? Basically, if I'm talking about, suppose we have given this three string and we want to check whether these three are anagram or not. So basically we know if it is anagram, then in that case that count of letters should be same. And if we sort each string, so like suppose I sort this string, so it will convert this into this string. And if I sort the second string, then it will convert this string. And if I sort the third string, it convert this string, and we can see these three string are same. So in this way we can check, like if the sorted version of that string is equal, like the sorted version of this is like given string is equal, then we can see we can definitely sure that these both string are anagram because their sorted version is same. Why it is happening? Because the count is same, so all the a's come together, all the b's come together, and all the c's come together, so it is coming in the sorted manner. And if it is like the count is same, so in the another string also a will come 3 times, b will come 2 times, and c will come 2 times. And if the count is different, then maybe c is coming 3 times here, then c will come here, and when we check both string are equal or not, then in that case it will give the false. But in our case all are same, that's why it will give the equal. If you will check both the string, it will give the true, and we can, in this way we can check both the string are anagram. So this is all about anagram. But in our case, what we have to do, let me discuss. So basically we have given this string, we can see we have given this input string, and what we are doing, whatever things is anagram, like in this case this eat is anagram to the 8 and t, because the letter count is same in three strings, so we just group them together and we store in the overall list. In this way this net and tan is the same, so that's why we group here and store in the overall list. So in this way we have to basically group them, and in the last we have to return the like we group into the list, and for that list I will store in the overall list and I will return the list of list. So what logic we are going to follow here, let me explain. So I wrote this for explaining purpose. So I wrote this example. So what we are doing here, suppose I know like the sorted version of anagrams are equal, like this one and this one we can see, and this one. For this three word, the sorted version I written just below, and this is the same for this three one. So what we will do, we will use this three like whatever like sorted version of that string as a key, and for that key we will store the respective string here. Like for this 8, because 8 is same for all the anagrams, so it will like we can treat as a key, and for that key we will store first 8, then t, then 8. So we can say that of all these three letter is anagram of this sorted version of this letter. And in this, for the second case also, a and t is the same, like a and t is a sorted version of these two, so that's why it will work as a key. So in this way, that string is work as a key, that sorted version of that word is work as a key, and for all the letter which is anagram of this key, we can store as a list. So basically we can use some data structure which I can use string as a key and value as a list, because for each word there may be one or many letters, so I will store it as a list. And at the last, all this value, all this list is, I know this is together, like all this list is a group of particular like sorted letter, so this three letter is a anagram to each other. So I will store this all list in the overall list. I will store this list together and I will return that. So same thing I will go to follow in the code. So let me share how we can utilize this concept in a code. So for that, let me start. So what we are doing here, first we will create a like whatever want to result, like list of list. So I want to return this, so I will create here. So this is my result. Okay, so array list string. Okay, so this is, in this array list we will store our overall result, and we have to some use data structure which is uh, stored key as a string and list of string as a value. So I will use this list of string here. So this is my data structure which is HASHMAP, and here HASHMAP, same manner I will use. Yeah, and then after that I will iterate in the given string one by one. So suppose I iterate strs. I am using for each loop because I am not interested about indexes. So okay, for every string first I will create a empty list, because our data structure is storing string and list. So for every string I will store what I am going to do. Let me explain here. First we will create our data structure here. So in data structure what we are going to do, like first I will create AT, then empty list here, then ANT, then empty list, and ABT, then empty list. Okay, so I will create like that, and I will iterate again. Like for eat, I will check the sorted version is present. Yeah, sorted version is present, 8 is present here. So I will append this list with eat. Then again I will iterate the second TEA, and sorted version now is same AET. Then I will append this because I will add this string in this for this key. So in this way I will iterate and add. So in beginning I will create this empty. So what I have to do, put, and I have to make a function which will provide the sorted version of that string. So I make here static, and it will return the sorted version string, get sorted str. So I will pass here a string str. What it will go, I will first create the array of character. So str dot to char array will give array of character. Yeah, I mistake here, char array. Yeah, so after that I will sort it, arrays dot sort, because this is array, and after that I will return the string. So I will convert into this string like that, this sorted array, and I will return this, so it will provide the sorted version. So in the key, what I have to do, I have to get the sorted version of that string, and which will work as a key. So for this, like that, and after that I will store the empty array list here. So empty array list of string I will store. Okay, in this way I will create my data structure with the proper key and proper value. Okay, after that, what I discuss, I will again iterate into the list, our list here, strs, and I will check for that string, sorted version of that string. So first what I have to do, okay, so I will get the sorted str here, and get sorted str I will call for getting the sorted version of that string. Okay, and after that, what I have to do, I have to just first pull out the previous value, like previous data for that key. So suppose this list updated, uh, I can see pre-list till the previous list. So for that sorted string, I have to just get from our data structure. So I will get it sorted str. Okay, so and after that, in this pre-list I will add new data, like suppose like any string is coming here. So for that string I am just getting the uh, list, and in that list I am just updating that. So I am adding the what as string value in that list, and after that updating I just store again at that sorted str, and that pre-list I will store. So in this way, for every key like sorted string, I will check, I will get the respective list, and in that list I will update that string, and at last I will update the our hash map. Okay, so in this way I can get all the string together, and at the last what we have to do, I have to return the into the list. So new, I have to return array list. So array list I have to return. So basically array list of, okay, I have to return array list. Okay, so I think, okay, maybe I can just iterate. Okay, I think I have created already this overall result, so maybe I can iterate in the hash map. So in this way I can, like, we can understood how we can iterate hash map as well. So every map store data as a map.entry data type, and that data is storing as a key string, and the value is as a list of string. So list of string we are getting. Okay, so this is the entry, our entry, and how I can get the entry, every hash map is stored as a entry set. So I will get each entry set and iterate in that entry set. So, and in the result, overall result, what we have to add, basically we have to add the value part, not key. So for every entry I will get value here, and I will store in the overall result in this way, and at the last I have to return just result. So maybe I have to run and check it in this list, overall result I just added that value and return. So what it is giving the problem, okay, I have to correct it, the syntax error. Okay, so all the test cases passing. Let me submit it. Yeah, so it is running and it is taking 9 millisecond, 35.14 of user bits. So it is a good solution, and in this way we can understood how we can like define the hash map, which is as a key string and list of string as a value, and how we can iterate the map again, because each map like store as a data key value as an entry set, and with that entry set we can get a value and key, but we are interested here value, that's why we are just, and this value is returning list of string, and in the al, like al is overall result, so it is a list of strings. So for every for every anagram we just group them in together, we are storing in the overall list and we are returning. So as per logic, like we are storing this all eat te and at into the list, and at the last in the overall list we are storing the list of list and returning that. So I hope you understood the logic, whatever logic we explain here, and how we implement that logic in the code. So in this way you can utilize the hash map for solving the question. So let me discuss quickly the time complexity. So first of all, we can see the constraint. So string length is 10 to the power 4, and each string maximum size is 100. So if I'm talking about the space, so maximum it hash map can store the total key value is length of the strs. So if the length is n, the big of n space complexity. I'm talking about the time complexity, then this is a for loop. So this for loop is looping the size of the strs. So if the size of strs is n, the big of n, and in that also we are just getting the sorted string. So for every string we are just sorting it, so it is also like n log n operation. So if I am assuming the maximum size of the each string is n, so for each it is total n iteration, and for getting sorted string it is suppose the m total length of size is each string is maximum m, then n into m, so total it is big O of n into uh, I think, okay, sorry, here the sorted string we are getting, and we are just array dot sort. So array dot sort is taking suppose this string size is m, so it is taking m log n, so m log n operation, so n into m log m operation. So total time complexity is big O of n into m log m time complexity, if I am assuming n is the total array length size and m is the total maximum each string size. So in this way it is a n into m log m time complexity and big O of n space complexity solution. So I hope you like my video and explanation. If you like, please like this video and subscribe our channel, so that in future if I upload any further big video regarding the HASHMAP topic or any other topic, you can understand and you can solve the question. Yeah, thank you for watching my video.